This video is the sequel to the 9-point Vedic circle, and the intention is to show one possibility of why 9 and 0 have some similar or equivalent properties. So if you have it, just to kind of refresh your mind on the 9-point Vedic circle, there's the 9 digits, 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. And we were saying, well, where would 0 go? Well, 0 would go before 1 on the same branch with 9. And the question was, how come 9 and 0 have some similar properties in Vedic mathematics? And we saw from looking at any one branch that the numbers on the same branch are equal to the original digit. For example, 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. 19, 1 plus 9 is 10, which gets us back there again. Well, obviously, they're all going up by 9 because we counted 9 numbers. So 1 plus 9 gives us 10. 10 plus 9, 19. Same thing here. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. Okay, that's pretty obvious. But it still doesn't answer the question of how come 9 and 0 have some similar properties. Why, by their nature that they're on the same branch, will that allow us to do some fascinating and really simple calculations later on where we can almost kind of substitute in 0 for 9. And this is one possibility. It may not be the only one, but this is one that my brother and I kind of had a conversation about, and this is our belief on it. So there may be other ones. I'd love to hear it if you have another way of explaining it. So it just goes back to a really basic principle, or equation of 10 minus 1 is 9. Not big shocking news there. However, look at the digit sum. 1 plus 0 is 1, minus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So somehow we're getting here at this digit sum level, 0 has some equivalency to 9. Same thing if you look at 18. 18, once again, is on the same branch, somehow having a relationship with both 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. And 9 having some similar properties to 0. I know this is getting really bizarre, isn't it? But let's look at basically how can we get 18. 18. 18 is just 20 minus 2. 20 minus 2 is 18. Well, look at this. The digit sum here is 2. The digit sum here is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. That's why, from my perspective, the digit sum of 1 plus 8, 9, is also equivalent to 0. I would love to hear other people's beliefs. This is, once again, something my brother and I just kind of sat around and came up with. I haven't seen it anywhere else, but then again, I'm just learning this material. So if you have a comment, a different way of showing it, I would love you to add a comment after this video and kind of start a discussion. Thanks so much.